guys, welcome back to our video. To say the
Interesting
facts of South Africa. Let's begin the interesting fact and get into the world of knowledge. First, we can start with the national bird. The national bird of the South Africa is blue crane. National flower of the South Africa is King Portia, and the national tree is the real yellow wood. Capital city of South Africa is Pretoria. Its nickname is Jacaranda City. Another topic ആയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. What is Devil Sea? അതിന്റെ റീസൺ എന്താണ്? What is Devil Sea? അതിന്റെ ശരിക്കുള്ള പേരെന്താണ്? ഇതൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പോൾ അറിയാം. Okay. Have you heard of Devil Sea? It's Devil Sea. It's another name for the Sargasso Sea in the North Atlantic Ocean. Do you know why it is called the Devil Sea? Ships passing through the area simply vanish without a trace. No wonder the place is also called the graveyard of ships. What's special about the sea is it has no land boundaries. In other words, the sea has no shores. The sea is formed by ocean currents. It got its name from the sargassum seaweed found in plenty here. The place is eight times the size of France. The first 8 times the size of France. The first European to have visited the place is Christopher Columbus. The mysterious Bermuda Triangle is situated here, and it is the photo of Christopher. It is the photo of Christopher Columbus. ഇനി അടുത്ത ടോപ്പിക് blue whale. The tail of a blue whale. The blue whales are the biggest mammals in the world.